Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was looking at this file I just did as the other video was loading, and I thought, you know, the font is, I've added perspective, but right here in this corner where this paper starts rolling up, the font looks funny. That'd be very easily fixed. Convert it to a curve, which I've already done, because it is a text. Then get your shape tool, and just put that right there, then give a little bit of a bend to your drawing. Now, of course, you don't even have to put it back up so you won't have to make the piece any bigger, and you don't really need to do that in. But on this text, and I'm not saying you'll ever run into that, but it does. As a matter of fact, you probably would need to curve this side and to make it kind of equal. So grab your shape tool and just ever so slightly move that out, move that over a little bit, make it look like it's kind of going up that paper. Of course, you could play around that there till the sun, until the cows come home on making that look right. Anyway, just an idea. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.